Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay, today our topic is rhyming word. Do you know about rhyming words? Yes. Very good. What are rhyming words? Very good. Rhyming words are the words having same sound. Good. Okay students, here we have an activity. Do you want to perform it? Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, Myra beta, start.
Car, ball,
Good.
ball, tall, ball,
Very good. Clap for her. Okay, Hadi, start.
pen, pen,
Very good.
pen,
Good.
pen,
Excellent.
hen,
Very good. Clap for him. Mustafa, start beta.
mug,
Good.
hug,
Good.
jug,
Good.
rug,
Good.
duck,
Very good. Clap for him.
cat,
Good.
bat,
Good.
rat,
Very good.
bat,
Good.
cat,
Excellent. Clap for her. Okay, Rafi, start beta.
pen,
Good.
man,
Very good.
tan,
Good.
ban,
Good.
hen,
Excellent. Clap for him.
cat,
Good.
bat,
Very good.
rat,
Excellent.
bat,
Good.
fat,
Excellent. Clap for him.
tan,
Good.
man,
Good.
tan,
Good.
bat, and
Very good. Clap for him. Okay, Mohit, start beta.
call,
Good.
ball,
Very good.
fall,
Good.
tall,
Good.
ball,
Very good. Clap for him.
mug,
Good.
cup,
Good.
jug,
Very good.
rug,
Good.
duck,
Very good. Clap for him.
cat, bat, bat,
Good.
mad,
Good.
fat,
Very good. Clap for him.
pen,
Good.
man, pen,
Good.
man,
Good.
pen,
Very good. Clap for him.
goal,
Good.
ball,
Good.
fall,
Good.
tall,
Good.
ball,
Very good. Clap for him.
cat,
Good.
bat,
Good.
bat,
Good.
mad,
Very good.
fat,
Very good. Clap for him.
pen,
Good.
man,
Very good.
pen,
Good.
pen,
Very good. Very good. Clap for her.
ball,
Good.
ball,
Good.
fall,
Good.
tall,
Good.
mud,
Very good. Clap for her.
mug,
Good.
hug,
Good.
jug,
Very good.
rug,
Good.
duck,
Very good. Clap for her. Good.
hug,
Good.
rug, jug, rug,
Good. Good. Clap for her.
cat,
Good.
bat, bat, mad, fat,
Very good. Clap for him.